لبيك لا الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hafsa Bilal from class 10. Today I'm going to talk about Eid al-Azha. Eid al-Azha is also called the festival of sacrifice. People celebrate it to remember Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam. He was ready to sacrifice his son in Allah's order, but Allah sent a ram instead. So on this day we do qurbani and share meat with friends, family and poor peoples. Eid al-Azha teaches us to sacrifice, share and be good with others. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Atharmin from class 10th. I wish you and your family a very happy Eid Mubarak. May the blessing of Eid fill your hearts with joy and happiness. Happy Eid.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Liba Javed from grade 10th. May the light of Eid illuminate your path and bring you peace and prosperity. Eid Mubarak.
May this Eid bring happiness and prosperity in your life.
Hello everyone, Eid Mubarak.
Is Eid only about celebrations?
No, it is not only about celebration. It's about to help the needy and thank Allah Almighty as well.
Okay, what is the real message of Eid?
The real message of Eid would be to spread happiness, kindness, and togetherness.
Thank you, Sophia.
Thank you so much.